my YouTube channel. I am going to do a video on Pre Poo. So this is going to be a DIY Pre Poo because I don't have any products that's specifically for Pre Poo yet, and I wanted to try a DIY one. So it's going to be basically an oil-based Pre Poo. And Pre Poo, if you don't know, is something that you do before you wash your hair. It helps it keep moisture if you are using like a regular shampoo, or either if you're using like a cleansing shampoo. It helps you keep moisture in your hair. Pre Poos help, you know, most of the ingredients helps have your hair grow, keep growth retention. It also helps just keep your hair hydrated, and it helps with tangles. And my hair, some parts of it gets tangled a lot while I'm washing it or after I'm washing it. So this will kind of help with that. Because my tangling process in the shower be on 10, and I'm tired of being in the shower all day. So right now my hair has that old hair paint wax in it. I probably had it in since what, Monday. I've had it in since, no, Tuesday, and today is Saturday. I know that's a long time, but I went on hair strike because I felt like I was just doing so much with my hair and I haven't done nothing to it. And like I said before in my post on Instagram, the gold didn't take good. You see, it looks green. It's a green undertone. And then I did have it on my whole head, but as you can see on this part of my hair, it didn't stay well because I, you know, sprayed water and I brushed my hair up in a ponytail. And with me putting products on it and brushing it up, it right on off. I was like, okay, so the gold is just not working with me. But anyways, also first, before I get started, go down below, hit the subscribe button if you already haven't. Also, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment if you would like. Let's get started. Okay, so here I have extra virgin olive oil. I have the Main Choice sweet almond oil. Then I have, of course, my handy dandy coconut oil. And I have some vitamin E oil. I usually use some avocado oil, and I usually use also some grapeseed oil and jojoba oil and black Jamaican castor oil. But your girl is out of those things, so I'm just using what I can. And I'm really just freehanding it, y'all. I'm not really measuring it. I mean, because basically this is just, I just need to get my Pre Poo done. And I want to do it as like a hot oil treatment, basically. Now, my coconut oil is kind of frozen, so not frozen, but hard. My hair actually loves coconut oil. I feel bad for the people that's coconut, you know, sensitive, because there's a lot of products made with coconut oil, but my hair loves coconut oil. And like I said, I'm not measuring, I'm just throwing some oil together. I got hair in here. Okay, so I'm just gonna zap this for like 30 seconds, you know, to just get a little hot, and that's it. And as you can see right here with my drawer full of junk, I put the oil inside some hot water as well, just so it can kind of stay hot while I'm working on the sections of my hair and the oil doesn't get cold. So I have everything done. The reason why I dip my ends in the oil, which I don't usually do, it was really hard for me to get the oil on my ends. So I just wanted to just make sure I got my ends. I did massage my scalp too once I had it all in twist before I put the bag on. I'm gonna leave the bag on for about like 30 minutes. And that's really just while I'm cooking and stuff. But also, it was very hard trying to maneuver in this thing, which I usually don't do. I usually have like the applicator bottle with the pointy thing to really get it on the hair and get it on my scalp. But yeah, I had to improvise. I had to do what I had to do. But so